video, we're going to see how to upscale a low-quality picture straight in PowerPoint. Come with me. MLC, we go get a picture from my library. This is a picture that, as you can see, is clearly low quality. And I specifically chose this picture because I want to show you something very curious. So let's go to Edit Picture and let's upscale it. The tool is going to improve the quality of the picture. However, it might lose some details or make the picture not look like it should in reality. Here we go. I can improve the quality of the picture, and as you can see, if you focus on myself, you can clearly see me blurred to high quality. Not too bad. However, if you check this part of the picture, you will notice that this is not me anymore. So what to do with this? I'm going to accept it, update the picture on my slide because the overall quality of the picture is way better than before. However, I'm going to apply a quick crop so that I can make sure to fix the missing part. There we go. And now I know that the picture is good quality and I can use it. This is how to improve the quality of the pictures by using the function upscale.